Hello everyone, welcome to MPT classes. Today we are going to start exercise 1.3 of class 9 chapter 1 mathematics. Okay, so let's start. Question number 1 is write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. So first of all, what we have to do, 36 by 100 is there. 36 by 100. So we need to find out the decimal expansion. So this one is in the form of fraction. This one is the form of fraction. We need to find out this one in decimal form. So let's see. 36 by 100 means, you know, if there is 36 upon 16, 36 is the numerator and 100 is the denominator. So 2 zeros are there, so this one is the single second digit, so 2 digits are there also, so we can write directly 0.36. 0.36. So these are the decimal expansion of 36 upon 100. So that is terminating, because why it is said to be terminating? Because there is no repeating value. Not terminating, we can say, because it's finished there, so it is known as terminating decimal. Which decimal is this? Terminating. Like that 1 by 11. Just see, 1 upon 11. 1 you should divide by 11. So 11 point first must be there. So point means 0 will come. Again 10 is smaller than 11. So 0 will write. Then it will come what? 100. 11 9s 99, then it will what? It will subtract, the result is 1. Again there is point, that means 0 will come. So again also 10 is smaller than 11, so again 0 will write here. So now it becomes 100. Then 11 9s 99, then it will subtract. Then again 1 will come. Yes. Then point means then 0 will come. Like that, it is also smaller than. So again 0 will write here. Then 100 will come. Then 11 9s are 99. Like that, it is going on. It is going on. So 1 upon 11, the value of this number is 0.090909 dot dot. Like that, we can write it is also 0.09 bar on 9. Bar on 9. Why bar on 9? Because it is repeated. So that is not terminating, because it is not finishing. So that means that is non-terminating. That is known as non-terminating decimal. Okay. 4 whole 1 upon 8. So this one is a mixed fraction. This one is a mixed fraction. So what we have to do here? First multiply here, 8 4 is 32, then plus 1, 33 upon 8. So I have written 4 whole 1 upon 8, that is equal to 33 by 8. Now you should divide 33 divided by 8. You know 8 4 is 32. So 33 minus 32, it will subtract, the result is 1. Then again point you have to mention here. Then it will become 10. 8 1 is 8. Then it will subtract 2 will. Then point is there, means again 0 will come. 8 2 is 16. Result is what? 4. Point is there, means 0 will. So 8 5 is 40. The result is now 0. Result is now 0. So it finished. Finished means the answer is 33 upon 8, the answer is 4.125. That is finished. So it is known as terminating decimal. It is known as terminating. Clear? Like 3 by 13. 3 by 13. So 3 upon 13, we should divide that one. 3 divided by 13. 3 is smaller than 13. So point we have to write. 30 will come. 13 2 is 26. subtract, result is what? 4. Point is there means 0. We can write here 13. Now 3 is here 39. Now it becomes, it subtract, the result is 1. Then point is there means 0. We can write now 10 is smaller than also 13. So again 0 we write here. So result will be 100. Result will be 100. So 13. 7 is 91. It will subtract, the result is 9. Point there means that will become 90. 13. 6 is 78. 13 7 is 91. So it is bigger than 90. So we should write 13 6 here. 13 6 is 78. So 78 we can write. Then subtract, the result is 12 now. Result is 12. So point is there means again 120 it will be 13 8 is 104, 13 9 is 117. So I have written here 9. 39 is 117. Then again 3. Then point is there means it will be 30. Then 13 2 is here I am writing here, there is no space. So 13 minus 26, that is 4. Again this one will come. Again this system will come. So now we observe that here is 0 after point 230769. After that again 230769, this one will come. So we can write here 3 upon 13 is equal to 0.230769. Again it will repeat it. Repeated, again repeated. So it is known as non-terminating. That is known as non-terminating decimal. Okay. Now just see third. This one completed. Now we will discuss one number B. 2 upon 11. 2 upon 11. You have to represent in decimal form. 2 divided by 11. That is 0 point. So point means then 20 it will be. 11 1 jar 11. The result is subtracted 20 minus 11. The result is 9. Then point is then means it will become 90. 11 8 jar 88. Now 2 point is then means it will become 20. 11 1 jar 11. Then 9. Point is then means it will become 90. 11 8 jar 88. So it is repeated. It is repeated. Look at here. 2 upon 11. It is repeated in 0.181818 again. It is repeated. Repeated means I can write 0.18. It's back. So that is known as non-terminating. That is known as non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal expansion. Clear? Now last one is 329 by 400. So 329 upon 400, we should write 329 divided by 400. So that is smaller than this. So 0 point we can write. If I written 0 point, then here 0 will come. 408 is 3200. Now the result is, if you subtract, the result is 90. So 490. Point is there means it will become 900. 402 is 800. So again it will subtract, then it will become 100. 100 is really smaller than 400. So point is there means you can write here 0. So 402 is 800. Now it will become 200. Point is there means again 0 will add. So 2000. So 400 is equal to 2000. Now the result becomes 0. If you subtract, result becomes 0. So we observe that 329 by 400, its answer will be 0.8225. So it is finished. That means it is terminating decimal. It is terminating decimal. So this one is the question number 1. Let's see the question number 2 of exercise 1.3. You know that 1 by 7 is 0.8 142857. It's bar. Can you predict what decimal expansion of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7 are without actually doing the long division? Okay. So we know that 1 by 7 is 0.142857 bar on this. Bar on this means it's repeated. So 1 by 7 is this. So you can tell me 2 by 7. I can write by long division method. We can write 2 by 7 is equal to yes, whether it is terminating or non-terminating. But question given without actually doing the long division, we have to find out. So 2 by 7 we can write 2 into 1 by 7. Can we write? Yes. 1 by 7 is there. 1 by 7 value is this. So 2 into 1 by 7. The answer is 2 into 1 by 7. We know that 0.142857. So you can multiply directly. 2 7 is 14. 4. Then taken 1. Carry 1. 2 5 is 10. 10 plus 1 11. 1 then 1 again carry. 2 8 is 16. 16 plus 1 17. 17 is 7. 1 again will carry. 2 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 5. 2 4 is 8. 2 1 is 2. Then 0.0. So bar on here. So without actually doing the long division, we written in the form of decimal of 2 by 7. So like that 3 upon 7, we can write 3 into 1 by 7. Then 3 into 1 by 7 value you know 0.142857 bar on this. So 3 7 is 21. 1 2 carry. 3 5 is 15. 15 plus 2 17. 7. Then 1. 3 8 is 14. Sorry 3 8 is 24 plus 1 25. 5. Then 2 will carry. 3 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 equal to 8. 3 4 is 12. 2. 1 will carry. 3 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Then point. So 0.4287 bar on this. Like you multiply 4 by 7 also, you can do it. 4 into 1 by 7, 5 by 7 also 5 into 1 by 7, 6 by 7 also 6 into 1 by 7. No need to write that. So you can do it. Okay. So these are the without actually doing the long division. These are the value. Okay. So next question is question number 3. Express the following in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. So we already discussed in our previous video that whenever we are discussing example, you can see 0.6 bar. This is the first question. So express this one in the form of P by Q. So how to express that one in the form of P by Q? 0.6 means let us write down. 0.6 there is bar on 6. Bar on 6. So here whenever we are representing decimal, that is non-terminating and repeating decimal in the form of fraction, we first write let x equal to 0.6 upon bar is there. So 666 bracket. Because 6 the bar is on 6, so that means 6 is repeated. So then after x, because bar on single number, so 10x. 10x will be what? Because 10 multiplied here means point changes to right side 1 digit. Because there is 1 0, so point will changes to right side. So the answer will be 6.666. Okay. Now we have to observe after point. Here is after point. After point is 66666. Here is also after point 66666 is there. So you can subtract 10x minus x. So here I can subtract 10x minus x. If I subtract, then this one will subtract also 6.666 minus 0.666. Okay, 10x minus x, the result is what? 9x is equal to point after 666. here is point after 66. It will subtract. It will be 0. Then 6 minus 0, the result is 6. Now x equal to 6 by upon 9. 6 upon 9. So if we divide by 3, 3 to 0 6, 3 to 0 9. So the value of 0.6 bar on 6, the answer will be 2 by 3. That is the fraction form of this. Second one is what? 0.47 bar on where? On 7 only. So the same thing also you have to write. Let x equal to 0.4 because bar on 7. So 7 we can write 7 will. Then after x, 10x you have to take. 10x will be what? 4 point because digit changes to point, changes to 1 digits to the right side. So 4.777. Now you have to observe. Here is, if you subtract 10x minus x, here is point after 4777, here is point after 777. So we should face some difficulties. So let us write another one number. After 10x, 100x. 100x equal to, again 1 digit, the point will changes to right side. So point, if it changes to right side, it will become 47.777. Okay. Now you can see after point here is 777. After point here is also 777. After point here is 4777. Don't see that one. You can see 100 and 10x. 100x and 10x. Here you can see after point 777. Here is after point 777. So if we subtract, then it will be 0. Now just see 100x, if you subtract 100x minus 10x, okay, the result will be 47.177 minus this one is 4.77. Okay, 100x minus 10x, the result is what? 90x. That is equal to 0.777. Here is 0.77. It will got in subtraction. It will become 0. Then 47 minus 4, the result is what? 43. So now we get x equal to 43 by 90. 43 upon 90. So this is the answer of 0.47. Okay. Now the third one. The same thing. Let the question is 0.001 bar on that 3 digits. So let x equal to 0.001001 like this I can write. Bar on 3 digit means directly you can take 1000x. Why you should take 1000x? Because you can see here is bar on single digit, here is bar on single digit. So I have taken x, after that 10x, after that 100x like this. So bar on 3 digit means directly you can take 1000x. 1000x will be what? 3 digit it will changes. So point changes to right side 3 digits. The result will be this 3 digits will be this much. So 0.000001. So after that digit will be so 1.001001 like this it will be. Okay. Point changes to 3 digits to the right side. Now point after here is 001, here is point after 001. Now you can subtract 1000x minus x is equal to 1.001001 minus 0.001001 like this. This is also 1000x minus x, the result is what? 999x is equal to point after 0001. Here is point after 001, 001. It will, whenever it will subtract, it will become 0. So 1 minus 0, the result is 1. Now we can see x is equal to what? 1 by 999. So now the result becomes 0.001 bar on this 3 digit. The answer is 1 upon 999. Clear? So this is our following term. Express this following term in the form of p by q. All numbers are in the form of p by q. Okay. Now next question. Question number 4. The same exercise 1.3. Express 0.99999 up to dot in the form of P by Q. Are you surprised by your answer? Yes. Just see 0.99999 in the form of P by Q. Tell me if we will take let x equal to 0.99999 dot. Then what we have to how to represent in the form of P by Q? So we will take after that 10x. 10x will be what? 9.99999. So now point after here is also point after 99. Here is after point equal to 999. So then what will become? So it will subtract. So I can write here 10x minus x. It will subtract. This one is 9.99999 dot minus 0.99999 dot. So 10x minus x, the result is 9x is equal to point after 99999. Here is also point after 99999. So this one will be in subtraction, it will become 0. Now 9 minus 0, the result is 9. So x equal to now 9 by 9. The result is 1. 9 1 9. So now we got the answer x equal to 1. So we express 0.999 in the form of P by Q. The result is what? 1. So are you surprised by your answer? Just see. Why we are not surprised? Because the question is if a number is there 5, 0.5, I can write in the form of 5. Okay, so that same thing also happening. If there is one digit, then the decimal should be like this 0.5. If the number is 6.75, you can write in the form of P by Q 675 by 100 because point after 2 digits. Okay. Next question is 5. Question number 5. What can be the maximum number of digits be in the repeating block of digit in the decimal expansion of 1 upon 17? Perform the division to check your answer. So it is a very easy question but very long question. So we have to represent 1 upon 17 in the form of decimal. So what can be the maximum number of digits? After how many digits it will repeat it. So let's see here. It will take much more space. 1 upon 17 means we should divide 1 divided by 17. 1 is smaller than 17, so point first must be. Point means now 0 will add, then 10 is also smaller than 17. So again another 0, then it will become 100. So 17, 5, 80. It will subtract, the result is 15. 15 is there, means point is there, means it will become 150. 17, 8 because 17 9 is 153. So it is greater than 150, so 17 8 is 136. Okay, 136. If it will subtract 150 minus 136, the result is what? 14. Again 0 will come. 0 will come means 140 is there. So 17 again 8 136. Again 4. If you subtract again 4. So 4 again comes, there is decimal point is there, means that will become 40. That will become 40. So 17 2 34. Now I am writing here, if it subtract, the result is 6. So I am writing here 6. 6 means point is there, means it will become 60. 17 4 68, 17 3 51. So it will subtract, the result is 9. 9, then point decimal is there, means it will become 90. 17 5 85. It will subtract, then 5 will come. point is there means then again 50, 17, 2 is here 34 because 17 3 is equal to 51, that is greater than 50. So 17 2 is 34. The result is now 16. So I am writing here 16. 16 means that is smaller than 7, point is there means it will become 160, 17, 90, 153. Now 160 minus 153, the result is sorry, the result is now 7. Then point is there, decimal means it will become 70, 17 4 68. Now 2. Then 2 means decimal means 20 it will be 17 1 70. 20 minus 17, that is 3. I am writing here 3. Decimal means point is there means 0 the result is 30. Then 17 1 17. Now it is after the result is 30. So I am writing here the answer will be here. 17 1 17. Now this one is 30. 130 will come. 17 7 190. Here 17 7 190. Then it will subtract, result is 11. Now 110 17 6 17 6 that is 102. Then again 110 minus 102, the again 8 will come. So point is there means it will become 80. 17 4 68. If it is subtracting 80 minus 60, the result is 12. Then point is there means 120 17 7 190. Then it will subtract, result is 1. 1 means again 1 is very small than, point is there means 0 will add here. Now also 10 is very smaller than 17. So again another 0 will come. Okay, so it will become 100. 17 5 85. Look at here. That same number again came. After this value, then again 0 5 this same number came. So don't write this number, just see. After point 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. After point, decimal point, after 16 digit, again it is repeated in 0 5 8 8 2 3 5, like that again will come. So question given, what can the maximum number of digit be in the repeating block of digit in the decimal expansion of 1 upon 17? So our answer will be after 16 digit it is repeating again. Okay, so this is our answer. But you should find out first the process, how to find out the decimal form. Divide this method. This is known as division method to find out the decimal form. Then we observe the after 16 digit it is again repeating. So this is our answer. Okay. Thank you.